In this video, you'll learn how to add multiple items in one listing on eBay. This process allows you to efficiently showcase several identical items or variations, making it easier for buyers to understand your offerings and increasing your sales potential. Begin by logging into your eBay Seller Hub. Once you are in the Seller Hub, look for the option labeled Create Listing and click on it. You will then need to choose a category that supports multiple quantity or variation listings. Selecting the appropriate category is crucial as it ensures that your items are correctly categorized for potential buyers. After selecting the category, you will enter the title and description for your listing. It is important to provide a clear and concise title that accurately reflects the items you are selling. In the description field, detail all items included in the listing. Additionally, upload images that represent each item effectively. Make sure to specify if the listing contains multiple identical items or variations. As an accurate description helps buyers understand exactly what they're purchasing and minimizes the risk of misunderstandings. Next, set the quantity field to indicate the total number of items available for sale. If you are offering variations, be sure to enter separate quantities for each variation. This allows buyers to select the specific option they want. Additionally, include shipping details and any applicable discounts for bulk orders. It is essential to double check your pricing for accuracy, as providing clear variation options can significantly increase buyer confidence and reduce potential inventory issues. Once all the necessary information is entered, take time to review your listing carefully before publishing it. Ensure that all variations, quantities, and images are displayed correctly. This step is vital to avoid any errors that could lead to confusion or dissatisfaction from buyers. When you are satisfied with the listing, click on the Save or Publish button to make your listing live on eBay. After publishing your listing, it is important to monitor sales and update quantities as items are purchased. You should also be prepared to adjust descriptions if needed to clarify any questions from buyers. Creating accurate multi-item listings can significantly improve your sales efficiency and enhance the overall shopping experience for your customers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.